I'll bet you $2,048 that you cannot fold a sheet of paper in half more than 11 times. Why is that so hard? Well, pull out a sheet of paper and fold it in half like this. And then fold it again. I bet you can't even fold this 7 times, let alone 11, even if you used your teeth. Now, you might think, well, why don't you just start with a bigger sheet of paper? I'm telling you, no matter how big a sheet you start with, it's impossible to fold it in half more than 11 times. Why? The power of 2. This sheet of paper is about 9 feet by 9 feet square. How many times do you think Ying Ying and I can fold it in half? Now by this time it's 256 sheets thick. It's about as thick as this 2x4 piece of wood. Now, since paper is essentially made from wood, it's pretty hard to fold it any further. If I could fold this 9 times, it'd be 512 sheets thick. 10 times, 1,024. If I had a huge piece of paper and I could fold it 11 times, it'd be 2,048 sheets thick. And at that point, no matter how big a piece of paper you started with, it would be impossible to fold it any further. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave your comments below and don't forget to like this video, subscribe,